Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of our beginner AI series for teachers and students. In this video, we will understand how artificial intelligence works in a very simple and non-technical way. In the previous video, we understood what AI is and where we see it in our daily life. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend watching it after this one. Now the big question is, how does AI actually work? How can a machine think, learn, or give answers? At a basic level, AI works in three simple steps: data, learning, and decision. Let us understand each step one by one. The first step is data. Data means information. Just like humans learn from books and experience, AI learns from data. For example, photos, text, numbers, or voice recordings can all be data. Without data, AI cannot learn anything. In the second step, AI learns from the data. It looks for patterns, similarities, and relationships. For example, if we want AI to recognize a cat, we show it thousands of cat photos. Slowly, AI learns the pattern, ears, eyes, shape, and understand what a cat is. After learning, AI can make decisions. It gives an output based on what it has learned. Now, when AI sees a new photo, it can decide whether it is a cat or not. This decision is based on previous learning. It is important to understand that AI does not think like humans. It does not have emotions or feelings. It only follows patterns and rules based on data. This is why AI can support teachers and students. It helps with planning, practice, and understanding, but it does not replace human teaching. So, to summarize, AI works in a very simple way: data, learning, and decision. In the next video, we will see how teachers and students can actually use AI in learning and teaching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more beginner-friendly AI videos.